Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can uninstall software update on Android phone. Okay, to uninstall software update, we have to reset our phone to bring back our phone to its default system. So we can go to our settings application on our phone and click on the general management. You can scroll down to find the general management setting. Tap on the setting, and here we can select the reset option since we want to reset our phone. Okay, and we can scroll down and click on factory data reset. Okay, and here we can scroll down to the bottom and we can click on this reset button to reset our phone. And after we reset our phone will be back to its default system and the software update will be uninstalled. Alright guys, and that's how we can uninstall software update on our Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.